Over 280 hectares of forest land in Goa have been diverted for development projects between 2021 and 2025. Official data in the Rajya Sabha shows. Union Minister Kirti Vardhan Singh said 35 projects were involved, including an airport, road widening, power substations, and the Kulem Madgaon railway project. The largest clearance was in 2023-24 at 178 hectares. For the current year, approvals have been granted for 13 more projects, some in sensitive areas. The proposed Goa-Belagavi highway widening alone could cut down 7,774 trees in the Bhagwan Mahaveer Wildlife Sanctuary. To compensate, the State Forest Department plans afforestation over 488 hectares in 3 phases, using both public and private forest land.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.